Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have IKEA Parlband Tealight Holder today with us. It has a rotating top part as you see here in the video. It comes with stainless steel golden finish body with a glass along with it. The main job of this glass is to protect the tea light candle flame from the air. That means your candle lasts for longer time. It gives an elegant look and make your room feel warmer and more inviting. You can put it at any corner of your home and make that corner beautiful. When it comes to the price, it comes around 499 rupees in INR, which is around 7.99 USD dollar. When it comes to the measurement, the height of this product is 10 centimeter and the diameter is around 9 centimeter, which is around 4 inch. Let me know if you like this product. I'll put the link in the description section where you can find it. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel for more product like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.